Dividing by 7 instruction. Hello, my name is Sarah. Thank you for joining me for this lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to divide by 7. You will need a whiteboard, a piece of paper, or the handout available with this lesson, and something to write with. Let's get started. If at any time you'd like to try these problems on your own, you may pause the video to do so. But we're going to solve them together. Please copy this down. 2,478 divided by 7. We're going to start with the 2. 2 is less than 7, so we cannot count it. So we'll look at the digit next door, the 4. We're going to count by 7 to get to 24 without going over. Let's count. 7, 14, 21, 28. 28 is too high, so we'll go with 21. That's 1, 2, 3 sevens. So we're going to put a 3 straight up above where the 24 is. We can also put zeros as placeholders. So now we multiply. 7 times 3 is 21. Then we add the zeros. Then we subtract. 8 minus 0 is 8. 7 minus 0 is 7. 4 minus 1, 4, 3. And then 2 minus 2 is nothing. Now we'll divide again. 3 is too low, so we cannot divide it. So we look at the digit next door, 37. We're going to count by 7 until we get to 37 without going over. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. 42 is too high, so we stop at 35. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sevens. We're going to put that straight up above the 37. We'll put a 5 and then a 0 as a placeholder. 7 times 5 is 35. And then we add the 0, and then we subtract. 8 minus 0 is 8. 7 minus 5, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. And then 3 minus 3 is nothing. Then we divide again. There's a 2, which is too low, so we look at the digit next door. That's an 8, so we'll count until we get to 28 without going over. 7, 14, 21, 28. We stopped right on the number. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sevens. That will go straight up. The 4 will go here. So we subtract 28 minus 4 times 7 is 28. That'll be 0. So our answer is 354. We're going to multiply to check our answer, because the opposite of division is multiplication. Let's check our answer. 7 times 4. 7, 14, 21, 28. 8 goes below, 2 goes above. 7 times 5. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. Then add 36, 37. 7 goes below, and then carry the 3. 7 times 3. 7, 14, 21. Then add 22, 23, 24. 2,478 is the same as 2,478. That means our answer of 354 is correct. Be sure to check your work. Our next problem is 8,932 divided by 7. We're going to begin by dividing 8. Let's count the sevens. 7, 14. That's too high, so only one 7 can fit into 8. We'll put a 1 up top, zeros as placeholders, and then we multiply. 7 times 1 is 7, and then add the zeros. Then we subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2, 3 minus 0 is 3, 9 minus 0 is 9, and then 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we divide again. 1 is less than 7, so we need to look at the next digit, 9. We're going to count by 7 until we get to 19. 7, 14, 21. 21 is too high, so we stop at 14, which is 1, 2 sevens. We'll draw the number right above where the 9 is. So 2 goes here with 2 zeros, and then we multiply. 7 times 2 is 14. Then we add the 2 zeros. Then we subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2. 3 minus 0 is 3. 9 minus 4, 9. 8, 7, 6, 5. And then 1 minus 1 is nothing. We've run out of room on the bottom, so I'm going to rewrite it off to the side. We will now divide again. 5 is less than 3, so we cannot use it. So we'll look at the number next door. Now we'll count until we get to 53. Let's count. We'll count by 7. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56. 56 is too high, so we stop at 49. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll put that straight up above where the 3 is. In the next place value, we'll put a 7 and then a 0. Then we multiply to subtract. 7 times 7 is 49. Then we add the 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. 3 minus 9 we can't do. So the 3 becomes a 13. The 5 becomes a 4. And then we subtract. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. And then 4 minus 4 is nothing. And we divide again. 4 is less than 7, so we need to look at the number next door also. So we're going to count until we get to 42 without going over. Let's count. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49. 49 is too high. We stop at 42. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That 6 will go in the last place value. 7 times 6 is 42. We subtract, and we have nothing left over. So now we look at our numbers to get our answer. We have 1,276. Well done. Be sure to check your work. In this lesson, we learn how to divide by 7. Thank you for following along.